Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing good and staying healthy at your home. Today we are going to do the workbook part from our English subject, and now we will start with the first lesson. And the name of the lesson is Johnny Appleseed. I hope you all have attended the online class for our course book and studied about Johnny Appleseed. Now we will answer the questions here. The first section is understanding the text. Answer these questions. Here we have few questions from the lesson Johnny Appleseed. We will try to answer them. The first question is, how was the appearance of John Chapman? Appearance means how did he look? How did the John Chapman look? What will be the answer here? John Chapman was a thin man of medium height. He had blue eyes and light brown hair. He dressed himself in a coffee sack, wore a cooking pot for a hat, and travelled barefoot. So John Chapman was thin man and he had blue eyes, light brown hair. And what did he wear? A coffee sack, a cooking pot for a hat, and travelled barefoot. Second question. Why did Johnny want to grow apples? So why did Johnny wanted to grow apples? Johnny wanted to grow apples because he wanted to make America a nicer place to live in. Yes, he wanted to grow apples because he wanted to make America a nicer place to live in. Now, the third question is, how did Johnny Appleseed get his name? So, his name was not Johnny Appleseed. His original name was Johnny Chapman. What did he do? Johnny Chapman planted lots and lots of apple trees so that no one would ever go hungry. So people called him Johnny Appleseed. He planted lots of apple trees and hence people called him Johnny Appleseed. But his real name was Johnny Chapman. Now the fourth question. Why did Johnny not stay with anyone? So why did not Johnny stay in one place or with anyone? Johnny did not stay with anyone because he wanted to plant more and more apple trees. Yes, he did not stay in one place or with anyone because he wanted to plant more and more apple trees. Number 5. What did people make with apples? So, when Johnny Chapman grew so many apple trees, what did people make with those apples? People made apple pies with apples. They made apple jam for their bread and apple juice to drink. Yes, people made apple pies with apples and they made apple jam for their bread and apple juice to drink because they had so many apple trees and they grew very much apples. So they made apple pies, apple jam and apple juice to drink. The next section here is word search. A. Which of these words describe Johnny? Tick 5 words and make the sentences of these 5 words. So here we have some words and we have to tick the 5 words which describe Johnny. Johnny Chapman, Johnny Appleseed. So what are these words? Kind, clever, helpful, selfish, proud, hardworking, friendly, generous. So what are the 5 words which describe Johnny here? Kind, yes, we will tick the put mark. Next, Proud? No, he was not proud. Clever? No, he was not clever, but he was innocent. Next is hardworking. Yes, Johnny Chapman was hardworking, so we will put a tick mark. Helpful? Yes, Johnny Chapman was very helpful. Friendly? Yes, he was very friendly. He was selfish? No, he was not selfish. Generous? Yes, he was generous. So we will put a tick mark for generous. Now with the help of these 5 words, we have to write our own sentences. Now first one we will take kind. So the sentence formed here is Mohan is a kind man. The second word helpful. And the sentence here is Pooja is very helpful. Next third is hardworking. And the sentence here is Ram is a very hardworking boy. The fourth here friendly. The fourth word friendly. And the sentence formed here is David is a friendly man. Fifth one generous. The sentence here is Kavita is very generous. So with these words you can make your own sentences also and write in your workbook. These are the words which describe Johnny, and we have made a few sentences with these words. You can make your own sentences with these words and write in your workbook. The next section under word search. B. Rewrite the sentences with capital letter and full stop wherever applicable. Here we have 5 sentences which are not in a correct order, like the tree has so many branches. We have to rewrite this sentence with capital letter and full stop. So if we write the sentence again with the capital letter, it is the tree. Here you can see the T is capital letter. The tree has so many branches and a full stop. Here this is the full stop. So we have to rewrite these sentences using capital letter and full stop. Second, this is a shady tree. Now when we write using capital letter, we have to write the capital T at the beginning. This is a shady tree and a full stop at the end. 3. I make homes with tiny twigs. If we rewrite this sentence, I will be a capital letter, make homes with tiny twigs and a full stop at the end. 4. They are poor shepherds. When we rewrite this sentence, T is the capital here. They are poor shepherds and a full stop at the end. Now 5. Now my age is just 3. If we rewrite this sentence using capital letter, the N should be capitalized, N, capital letter N. Now my age is just 3 and a full stop at the end. So if you can see, when we rewrite the sentences, all the first letter of the sentences are capital letter, and at the end of the sentence we have put a full stop. So with this we completed the B bit under word search. Word search. Children, we will do the C bit under word search. What is the heading here? Let's read. Complete these words with the help of picture clues. Here we have a word and a picture. With the help of this picture, we have to write the word and form a new word. The first one is news, and the picture here is that of a paper. So news plus paper, we get a new word, newspaper. The second here, if you can see, we have a tub here and the word is bath. So if you write the word tub, the new word formed here is bathtub. tub. Bath plus tub, bathtub. The third one, tooth, plus if you take the word of the picture, this is a paste. So, tooth plus paste gives us a word toothpaste. Fourth one, we have here the picture of seed and the word is apple. Apple plus seed gives us a new word apple seed. The fifth word here is foot, and here if we take the word ball, because the picture given here is of that of a ball, the new word formed is foot plus ball, football. 6. Note, and the picture is that of a book. So, here we will write book. Note plus book gives us the word notebook. So, let me read the words here once again for you. Newspaper, bath tub, bathtub, tooth plus paste, toothpaste, apple plus seed, apple seed, foot plus ball, football, note plus book, notebook. Next section here is life skill. If you wish to do something good for the people around you, what would you do? Discuss in the class about it. So, children, if you want to do something good for the people around you, what would you do? Like if you want to help some people, in what way will you help them? Will you give them some money or help them by doing some things which they want to do? So, how do you want to help them? Discuss among yourselves about something good which you want to do for the people around you. The next section here is creative fun. Under creative fun, we have read this poem. The poem given here is 10 rosy apples high on a tree, safely hiding where no one can see. When the wind goes rocking to and fro, 10 rosy apples to the ground must go. So, this is the poem given here. Please read the poem twice and I will read this poem once again for you. 10 rosy apples high on a tree, safely hiding where no one can see. When the wind goes rocking to and fro, 10 rosy apples to the ground must go. So, children, with this we finish the workbook part for our first lesson, Johnny Appleseed. We will meet for the second lesson,